Any good grilling always starts with nice cuts of meat and fresh herbs for the marinade. Well, I'm going to be grilling some pork today, but I'm going to use a survivalist approach. Instead of the normal coals, I'm going to use banana leaves and coconut husk. Just let me see if I can flip this around to show you what it looks like. Oh there, can't get it to flip. I have to stop and change, but I'll show you in a second. So this is the grill, as you see, banana leaves and dry coconut husk. Dry coconut husk will burn and will become and make coals, and I'm using the banana leaves because banana leaves burn very quickly but very intensely, and so hopefully we'll get the coconut husk to burn rapidly. Okay, after this, can't go down too low, the heat of the fire. After this we should be ready to put on the actual grill and start putting the meat. And we're going to experiment today with some grilled plantains as well. Well, as you see, everything is burning down now, making coals. Time to put on the grill and start putting the meat on the fire. Okay, and the first piece of pork is now on the grill. Leaving the sides because that's where I'm going to put the plantains for grilling. Had to do a little YouTube work to find out how exactly to grill plantains. First time, I'm going to try it and see how it comes out. And these are the herbs that went into seasoning the pork. Everything fresh out of the garden. Fresh seasonings was used. This grill is small and coconut fibers give you intense heat, so it doesn't take very long. But there's no parboiling here. But you see, we get the nice char marks already on the pork. This time I have to make sure to baste it, and I made a special little mixture for basting with a little rum and a little Angostura bitters, and then some of the liquid from the seasoning. Well, as we all know, grilling is hot work, so you need to have a little libation to keep you cool while you're grilling. So cheers. Hope you're having a good day. In case you're wondering why I'm wearing the mask, it's to send a message that we all have to do our part. So even though I'm home, I'm wearing the mask to say, hey, everyone can and should wear a mask. Okay, so now we have added the plantains to the grill with another piece of pork. According to the recipe, you grill for about 10 to 15 minutes and then you baste with a mixture. My mixture is olive oil, honey, a little herbs and lime juice. So after about 10-12 minutes, you turn the plantain over and baste it and then leave it for another 10 or 15 minutes. We'll see how it comes out, as this is the first time trying it. So this is how the plantains look after being on the grill for a while. And then you have to baste it and you flip it over one last time on the cut side. Incidentally, yes, you have to cut the plantains in half lengthways.